The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized the command post of the Ukrainian Dnepr Joint Group of Forces and a workshop for radar reparation at an entity of Iskra Research and Production Association, as well as 56 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 132 concentration areas. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian artillery batteries have been neutralized near Trifonovka and Novonikolaevka in Kherson region, as well as 1 US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS platoon near Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 3 munitions depots have been destroyed near Novoivanovka in Nikolaev region, Odnorobovka in Kharkov region, and Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic. 3 AN-TPQ-37 and AN-TPQ-50 counter-battery radars have been destroyed near Artyomovsk, Vyimka and Solidar in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 outer space signal station of the Government Communication Center of Ukraine has been destroyed near Paliivka in Odessa region. 1 launching ramp of S-300 Ukrainian air defense system has been destroyed near Petropavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have shut down 10 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Kirovo, Sukhanovo, Kucherskoye, Dmitrenko in Kherson region, Yevgenovka in Nikolaev region, Zelený Gai, Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Krasnoselovka, Ternovoye and Energodar in Zaporozhye region. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,266 unmanned aerial vehicles, 381 air defense missile systems, 5,876 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 871 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,485 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,635 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.